social media all at once on different devices, it can be a drag. Literally. Your internet connection can slow down to a crawl.
What the?
But not Charter Spectrum Internet. With speeds starting at 60 megabits per second, get the bandwidth you need to do it all. And all for only $29.99 a month when bundled. Just call 844-855-2999. The next time you have to wait for a download, the next time your streaming movie isn't exactly streaming, remember, Charter Spectrum Internet gives you the bandwidth you need. Download, stream, game, share, and more. All at once on all of your devices. Only $29.99 a month when bundled. Call now. 844-855-2999. 844-855-2999. Restrictions apply. Call for details.
We're good together. This summer, McDonald's is getting together our classic double cheeseburger and world-famous fries for the sizzling summer price of just $2.50. We're good together. We're good together. Just $2.50 for 2 all-beef patties, melty cheese, and golden fries. Double the lovin' this summer at McDonald's with a double cheeseburger and small fries. Prices and participation may vary. Limited time only.
Oh, so many choices.
Well, it is McDonald's dollar menu and more.
I'm gonna eeny meeny.
You can't eeny meeny.
Too much to eeny meeny.
Way too much to eeny meeny.
Yes, but because there are so many choices, no matter where my eeny meeny takes me, it'll be awesome.
The perpetrator's driving off right now.
So many entrees, desserts.
Yeah, she's driving off. She ran into the side of my truck and now she's hauling ass. She's in a blue Jeep Grand Cherokee, tag number Charlie Sierra Whiskey. Black female driver, male passenger occupant. We're now going down Land Street Avenue, Southwest. She just turned on to Boulder Run, heading south, heading back towards Hewlin Street. It happened on Hewlin right before we got to Ranch View. She just drove into the side of my truck as we're going up the hill. I got the whole thing on my dash cam. Alright, we're coming up the intersection right now, South Hewlin and Boulder Run. She just ran the stop sign on Hewlin. Yeah, crossing Spring Willow. She's doing an illegal U-turn right now at Spring Willow, heading back north on Hewlin. Alright, now she's turning back across traffic on the Boulder Run on Hewlin. Yep, turning back on. I'm in a black Suburban. It's all blacked out. Now she's doing a U-turn now on Hewlin again. Going back south on Hewlin again. Getting caught up on traffic, just past Land's End, coming at the intersection of Harbor Lawn, still heading south on Hewlin. Yet now we're coming up on Briar Haven, about to cross the intersection of Briar Haven, crossing the intersection just now. My name is Matthew Higgs. She is now turned, crossed onto Hidden View Circle, just off Hewlin. She has drove into a dead end, and I'm going to block her into this driveway here. We're on Hidden Glen, off South Hewlin. Yep, she drove into the circle down here.
If yesterday was broke, I am down today.
Good.
Something wrong, sir?
Tonight?
Okay. It's a horn. You're in my way. What's the big
I
deal?
was moving. What's the big deal?
Nothing. Do you see me angry?
You're supposed to walk when people are this is driving, right?
You're on the wrong side of the road.
Really?
Yep. Road raging idiot.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.